Well, about 4 years ago, I was approached to, how can I say, there was a project going to happen in Barnsley, but it was also going to be a national project where certain local education authorities would have training with the RSC in how to deliver Shakespeare in primary schools. It's a new project that had never happened before, so we were lucky enough, Hoyland Common and 7 other schools in Barnsley, to take part. Well, we did Macbeth the first year, then Merchant of Venice, which are both shows actually I've done in the past, and I felt it was quite safe to do something I'd done before. And Julius Caesar just came about one day. I was talking to Mr. Fallon, the other teacher who helps co-direct the show, and he said, well, what would you fancy doing this year? Do you fancy doing some comedy or a history or a tragedy? And I said, actually, I've never done Julius Caesar. And he said, let's give it a go. Well, the first time we were lucky enough that out of the 8 shows in Barnsley, we performed at Elsica Heritage Centre, and we were chosen to take the show to the Royal Shakespeare Company in Stratford and perform on the main stage there, which we did 2 years ago. And we were one of 5 or 6 productions from primary schools nationally that were chosen to do that. On the 10th of June, there's going to be a Barnsley Schools Shakespeare Festival taking place at the Lamp Room, and there's only 4 schools taking part this year, which is a real shame. But what will happen is the 4 schools will do a rehearsal in the morning in the theatre, and then the afternoon there'll be an audience, probably of children from the 4 schools, coming along to watch them actually perform it on the main stage there. I'm hoping that we can obviously get more schools involved next year, and the aim would be to maybe do it over 2 days, not 1 day, and hopefully have 8 schools initially take part, and then eventually maybe a whole week if possible. The commitment really is I start it off in Drama Club around October time, and we do 45 minutes once a week, and we look at various scripts and various animated Shakespeare stories so the children can get a grasp of what Shakespeare's all about. And then after Christmas onwards, we do spend 1 afternoon a week rehearsing together, Friday afternoons usually, where we rehearse in the school hall and put the show together, leading up to the final performance when we'll probably rehearse for a whole week together, getting ready for the final performance on June the 10th.